The sixth station. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. He who welcomes you welcomes me, and he who welcomes me welcomes him who sent me. And I promise that whoever gives a cup of cold water will not want for a reward. A woman named Veronica kindly washed your face with a towel. Such a simple thing. A towel, a cup of water, a loving word. Let us thank God for all those people who have helped us in small but important ways. By your meeting with Veronica, Lord, help us value such small things, so great when given in your name.